The NRCS, in conjunction with the Society for Range Management, developed courses specifically designed to train conservation planners in communication with land users from a point of understanding and in-depth knowledge. It is with these basic components that sustainable relationships may begin and continue for generations so that conservation planners may better understand and assist in the decision-making process of the land user. The Society for Range Management, NRCS, and local land users across the country share a common goal: the sustainability of our land. So through these courses, the aim is to train and provide insight to individual NRCS employees by assisting in the challenges of communication, the methodologies of monitoring plans, understanding economic decision-making, and development of viable goals and objectives. Ultimately, building these skills will promote the success of both conservation goals and land user goals, leading to positive partnerships. Certified conservation planners also need 40 hours of continuing education during their 3-year certification period per General Manual 180-409.9.e, and these courses count towards the continuing education requirements. The Vegetation Monitoring and Data Interpretation course will lead to a better understanding of a monitoring plan. Trainees will be led through the process of setting up the plan and selecting sites for monitoring, as well as determining the most appropriate methodology relative to goals and objectives, and information obtained through inventories and assessments. Trainees will learn why resource monitoring and data interpretation is important. The Economic of Conservation Planning on Grazing Lands course allows the participant to run a mock family ranch while conducting various smaller exercises in order to experience the basic financial structuring of a generational farm or ranch. This will allow conservation planners to have a greater understanding of how economics impacts the decision-making role of the land user as they consider adopting a conservation plan. Trainees will develop an understanding for the land user as an individual and as a legacy holder to learn how to describe and quantify the value of grazing land's goods and services, and develop skills to communicate economic principles effectively with landowners. For either course, it is expected that participants will need approximately 5 hours per week for completion. Both of these courses require the participant agents to make contacts with local producers in order to complete assignments and practice skills. However, the course and assignments are meant to coincide with and complement existing field work in data interpretation that takes place in current responsibilities with the NRCS. Finally, courses will conclude with an instructor-led forum for the trainees to present final projects and discuss learning outcomes at the Society for Range Management annual meeting. The SRM annual meeting is the leading event for the most advanced trainings, cutting-edge research, and innovative management techniques on rangelands. It is an incredible opportunity to network with fellow range managers and stay up to date on current topics. Information, resources, and trainings are within the reach of the trainees at this meeting, and virtual options are also available. Ultimately, the goal of these courses is to equip conservation planners with the information and understanding needed to excel in their field.